All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and today I want to tackle a suggestion that you have made. This is a suggestion that I have gotten many times from subscribers on my YouTube channel, as well as followers on my Travels by Trike Facebook page, and even on my blog. And this has been for the last couple of years that I've gotten the suggestion to do live streaming. And every time somebody suggests it, I think, live streaming. Well, isn't that interesting? And I really have had no idea how to go about doing this. But I've got a couple of months before my next tour, plenty of time to figure this out. And so I thought today I'm going to start and see how it goes. And, you know, to be honest, I haven't even been on many live streams. I've been on Gary Solomon's Laid Back Bike Report show a number of times, and so I kind of know how it works. And, you know, I've seen where people, there's the whole chat area, and then, you know, someone from his panel will read from the chat and then answer what people are asking or making comments. And then the other one is Matt Galot, who I try to support. And I noticed that he does a lot of live streaming from his hotel room or from the lobby of a hostel or a hotel. For me, it might be more interesting to actually do live streaming from my trike while I'm riding, and that way I can show where I am, explain more about where I am, and then answer questions while I'm riding. But the first big obstacle that I have for doing this is at the moment I have nothing mounted on my trike. I use a side seat mount bag, and so that's where I keep everything, and then my phone I keep in a front zippered pocket in my jersey. And so I needed to figure out a way to mount my phone because I really think that this is something that I'm going to want to do hands-free. And so I went to TerraCycle to talk to Pat, the owner, and TerraCycle makes just a ton of things for mounting really anything to your bike and trike. And of course he said, yes, I have helped many people to mount phones to their trikes, and so he suggested that I use the quad lock system. And I know that Matt Galot also uses the quad lock system, and then he also gave me some ideas for mounting the phone to the trike. And so the first thing I did was I ordered the quad lock system. It came in the mail, and this is the box. This is a system that you order by the model of your phone. So I have a Galaxy S8 Plus, so that's what I ordered, and I ordered it with the bike kit so that I can mount it to my trike. And this is what it looks like. So this is the case. Looks like pretty much any case, but it has, this is the quad lock part of the case, and then this piece fits into it, and you twist it on and off. So we just need to figure out where we're going to mount this. And they also gave me a number of rubber O-rings as well as zip ties to keep this secure. So yeah, let's go out to the garage and I'll show you what I'm thinking about in terms of actually attaching this to my trike. All right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, so I'm out in front of the house, in the driveway. I've got the quad lock mount attached to a TerraCycle bar here. And this system is really pretty simple. There's a blue button, and you just push down on it, and then you just twist it, and it's secure, and then you push down, and you can take your phone off. And I've got the smallest O-rings that I'm using here, and it's very secure. I can still adjust it up and down, but it's not going anywhere. And then the T-cycle bar, this is a long T-bar here attached to a clamp, which is attached to a smaller bar, which is attached to a clamp on my steering, on the grip. And so as I'm using the phone, it's actually going to be moving. The other thing I'm noticing is that there's quite a bit of vibration, although if I hold the steering, hold the grip, and I do it, it seems to quiet down a lot. So now I want to go down the hill and give this a try and see how it works. All right. All right, we're heading down the hill. I've got the lavalier mic attached to my shirt as usual. And I can usually get up to about 30 miles an hour, sometimes a little bit faster on this hill going down. Flying down the hill. Got to slow down for speed bumps. That camera looks like it's jumping all over the place. It's a lot of traffic. It's Friday night. And now that I'm stopped for a light, I'm going to switch out the microphone for the Bluetooth. Hey, man. So I have switched to my Bluetooth earbuds, and these are designed to make and receive calls. So there's a microphone. The microphone does not have a dead cat on it, so I'm kind of expecting some wind noise. And I just don't know that this is going to be a good idea for live streaming from my trike. It doesn't mean I can't do live streaming. You know, maybe I can do it walking around instead of from my trike. But I've had this problem with really just every camera I've tried to put on my trike. Even the GoPro, which has excellent image stabilization, just can't handle the vibration from the trike. And I was thinking maybe I would try it with a standing aid instead of the clamps and bars that I got from TerraCycle, but I really don't think it's going to make any difference at all. It's just an inherent problem with trying to attach a camera to the trike. All right, so it turned out that doing live streaming from my trike was a total bust. And I guess that's why we do these kinds of experiments. Sometimes things work and sometimes they don't. Just because I can't do live streaming from my trike doesn't mean I can't do live streaming. But I was hoping to do live streaming in a little bit more dynamic environment than sitting on the couch or being in a hotel room. And you know, I don't really know very much about live streaming. I've only been a part of one and watched a few others, and maybe you guys have some ideas for how to make live streaming a little bit more interesting, with a more dynamic background. I'm thinking about next time actually doing live streaming, giving some notice on Facebook and going to the riverfront along the Willamette River and walking on the Esplanade and trying it in an environment where I can at least be walking. But I'd really love to know what you think about all of this, all the different things that I tried today. It was kind of a lot. And at this point, I'm going to return all the stuff I bought. I'm going to return the quad lock, return the bits and pieces to TerraCycle, go back to having a nice clean trike, which I love having. And I'm going to try doing live streaming while walking and seeing how that goes. So let me know what you guys think. You know, I love hearing from you. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.